Come on, y'all. Good evening, ladies and gents. Today, me and my dun. Just Pharaoh, say hi to the people. Say hi. We really can't see him too good. He wants to sit down, so we can't. We're gonna be making chocolate chip cookies. Now they can't see me because you're too small. We're gonna make chocolate chip cookies. Oh, chocolate chip muffins. Right? So the ingredients say we ain't got no water yet. Well, we got our muffin pan. And we greased it up. Can't have him doing nothing crazy to the pan or the grease. So we just give him the other one. So let me play with this one. Alright, there you go. Watch what you're doing up here. Oh, no. This is the one I need. Alright, so it says we got the heat on, the oven already on. We're just gonna use milk and baking stuff. Alright. That's crazy. What happened to my... Alright, here you go. Never... Terrible job, but this is what we do. Okay. Never run around with scissors in your hand. Unless you got on gloves. Right? I mean, what would be the purpose? You ain't have any gloves on. Look. He doesn't have any gloves. So now we put that in there. Put that in there. And we're supposed to add milk or water. But the thing is, we don't have milk or water yet. We gotta go get it. So let's go get the milk. We couldn't leave you there. You'd messed around and spilled everything. Then what? We wouldn't have no muffins. We back. You had to get the milk. Alright, so it doesn't give us a perfect amount of milk to add in. It just says milk it, put milk or water until blended. So, and then spoon it in, I guess. So we're gonna just pour a little bit in right now. I guess like cereal. I could have just poured, maybe just, I guess. That's all it takes. Would it be crazy if he fell off the chair in the middle of this? But I still posted. That's the crazy. You want to start? You want to start? Please don't sling it. No, just stir. There you go. Come up. There you go, look. not yet. I'm not, look, you got, look, I'm trying to let you help. So I guess that's a good texture. This guy's trying to drink the milk now. Can't do everything. I guess that's a good texture. Is it good? Cookie Monster won't even let us make the cookie. And he still got himself some batter. It is what it is. It is what it is. Is it good? I mean, it's different. I mean, I know it's not what you probably expected. So, now we spoon. Somebody get him a napkin, please. Yeah, you want some? I mean, all right, here, knock yourself out. Man. You wild and crazy, but I'm even wild and crazy. They say spoon it in. It should make up to 6 muffins. But understand, he threw some. It looked like he's trying to get more out of my thing. All right. Not just yet, buddy. Not just yet. There we go. Maybe I should be more on the camera. It's like that's on. Right in the spatter. That is not part of the plan, ladies and gentlemen. But, I mean, hey. What am I supposed to do with a... Jeez. If you can see what's going on this side of the camera... Oh, here we go again. All right. It's not for that right now. I mean, just take what you got, I guess. And there's chocolate chips in there, man. All right. Shook the camera down. Hey. Am I the host or the co? What is? Not that part of the spoon. Well, you can't put that part in your mouth. Here, do you? All right. Come on, man. You got some on the spoon already. Why you need more? All right, that's it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, tune in to the next episode. We'll probably be making... Nah, we ain't even gonna be making that. They're not even good for you. Cornbread and stuff. It ain't really good for you, but... Well, tune in to our next episode. We'll be looking for something else to make. And this has been Say Goodbye. Bye-byes. 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 Oh, man.